Hello and welcome to ISMRM 2019 in Montreal. This is a particularly exciting conference for us. Our development team is here. They are demonstrating the Software Development Kit, or SDK software, which is intended as a platform for imaging researchers. The highlight of this conference has been the OLIA-sponsored educational symposium. The subject was Chemical Exchange Saturation Transfer, or CEST, imaging. Our four speakers gave extraordinarily high quality scientific presentations. At the booth, there has been considerable interest in the new and updated OLIA software platforms. This includes a new functional MRI product, as well as an updated DTI product. Please feel free to check us out at www.oliamedical.com.